10 unknown facts about Pallavi Patil. First, Pallavi Patil is a distinguished Indian actress and model renowned for her significant contributions to Marathi cinema and television. Second, Pallavi was born on 23rd October 1989 in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Third, she pursued her education at Bharati Vidya Bhavan, graduating with a degree in Sanskrit. Her academic background, coupled with active participation in theatre during her college years, laid a solid foundation for her future in acting. Fourth, her role in the experimental play Meter Down garnered her the Best Actress Award from ZTV, highlighting her emerging talent. Fifth, transitioning from theatre to on-screen roles, Pallavi made her television debut with a minor role in Julun Eti Reshim Gathi 2013 to 2015 on Zee Marathi. Sixth, her breakthrough came with the lead role in Star Pravaha serial Ranji, where she portrayed the titular character, earning widespread recognition. Seventh, Pallavi's film debut was in the Marathi movie Dhangarwada 2015, followed by notable performances in Kadi Ambat Kadi God and The Warrior Queen of Jhansi 2019. Eighth, her versatility was further showcased in the Hindi film Chori 2021, where she played the character Rani. Ninth, Pallavi has also been active in the digital space, featuring in web series like The Missing Stone 2020 on MX Player, where she played Hema. 10th, her dedication to theatre remains unwavering, with performances in plays such as War Khali Don Pai, which earned her the Best Supporting Actress award at Zee Natya Gaurav Puraskar in 2018. Subscribe the channel.